everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to add a mesh part. So the first thing that we need to do is go to workspace, click the plus button. Here we see mesh part, we added. Here we see some part appeared over here. Then we write here mesh it. Here it comes. Now we are choosing here a file to open. I've created a parts. So now you will see, whoa, you see some parts appeared over here. They're connected to each other. As you see, we have now some parts over here. So let me play and see. Because I've created them in Blender. You can also do the same thing. Wow, I've created so many parts. This one is a little bit rotated. Let us go. Let's just jump over here. Yeah, we are in this little part that is connected to this big part. So here I will show you the Blender. Here it is. You see, as you see, I've created some parts that we saw in Roblox Studio. You can easily download Blender free in Safari. You can just search their Blender 3D and you can easily download it. You can also, I have created this part over here. Let us create like this. You see, as you see, we created a part. I'm going to create a new one. As you see, I've created a one. Oh my god. As you see, I've created another part. You can also draw over here, but I did not see this drawing in the Roblox Studio. So I think this is just non-needable thing. So as we are now in Blender, you can easily download it and create your own parts, as I showed it to you. Like this. Look how I'm going to create a part. Oh my god! Look at this part. Looking cool. So okay, this was all for now, my friends. So see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.